Have you ever witnessed a judge go completely ballistic and lose it in court? I didn't see a judge go ballistic, but I did see one walk right out of the courtroom in the middle of a hearing without saying a word. It was one of the few times I've ever seen a judge just completely done. The case before it was already intense. Two kids were living with their grandmother because their mother was in prison for killing her youngest child and trying to blame it on her older one. The judge was already furious when he found out that every Sunday, the grandmother was forcing the kids to talk to their mother over the phone, acting like everything was normal. He ripped into her, asking what the hell was wrong with her, and warned her she was one step away from losing custody altogether. The tension in that room was thick. Then came the next case. A mother had lost custody of her 4 kids because of drugs. This was her 3rd time in court, and twice before she had shown up high. Now she was pregnant again, and the judge wanted to terminate her rights to the kids she'd already lost. But then the social worker said something that made him snap. She claimed that if the mom stayed clean when she gave birth, she could get all her kids back. The judge didn't say a word. He just pushed back his chair, stood up, and walked out. 10 minutes later, he came back, completely silent. Then he laid it down. She would be drug tested every day and forced into rehab. One single slip-up, and she was losing custody of all 5 kids permanently. You could hear how serious he was. That judge wasn't playing games. He cared, but he was tired of seeing the same cycle repeat.